Hello, Eagles. It's Mother Eagle here, reading from Divine Soul Whispers. Today I'll read for you Holding Space for Love. I have loved and been loved. I have let go and been let go of. But even in the midst of life's changes, my heart holds space for love. There is a place in my heart that is forever magical and strong, forever steady and immovable, forever willing to surrender to love. In love, enchanted worlds are built. In love, color blends as in a rainbow. In love, separation turns into oneness. In love, the God in me sees the God in you. The healer in me recognizes the pain in you. The lover in me opens her heart to love you freely, for I have loved and been loved. Oh, let that poem bless your heart. Keep your heart open so that love can come in, so that love has an opportunity to take expression in you, because it's a power, it's a force, and it can do amazing things. As always, it's Keroy here. I'll talk to you soon.